Dear students, the next topic is Manchester carry chain. For a parallel adder, the full adder have to be connected in cascade with carry output of the previous stage acting as carry input to the next stage. Thus, the ripple carry adder requires a large number of transistors. To reduce the number of transistors, the expression for the output can be modified with the inclusion of new functions as generate and propagate. We know that S is equal to A XOR B XOR C in and C out is equal to AB plus A XOR B C in. Okay, we modify the C out equation here. Let us define two additional functions generate and propagate. Here G equal to AB and P equal to A XOR B. Then write the equation S is equal to P XOR C in, because P here A XOR B. C out is equal to G. Why G? G is equal to AB. That's why G plus P is A XOR B. That's why I written P C in. Equation number 1, P XOR C in, C out is equal to G plus P into C in. Here then, from using equation number 2, the expression for carry bits can be written as C naught equal to G naught plus P naught C in, C1 is equal to G1 plus P1, the previous carry is C naught, C2 is equal to G2 plus P2 C1, C3 is equal to G3 plus P3 C2. The circuit for S0 and C0 can be written using the XOR gates and the pass transistor. Okay, here this is the circuit for S0 and C0. This is the truth table which consists of inputs A0, B0, C in, G0, P0, C0. Here we calculate G0 is AB, P0 is A XOR B using if you consider using the A0, B0 and C in inputs. When taken as standard cell, the size of the circuit for C0 is quite large. Hence, to reduce the size of the circuit, we redefine the generate function as G is equal to A bar B bar. G is equal to A bar dot B bar. And we write the circuit for C0 using the dynamic logic and pass transistor logic. What is meant by the dynamic logic? The logic circuit. The dynamic logic circuit is clock based circuit. Here it has precharge and evaluation phase. Okay, just go through this circuit. Okay, here from this equation, from this circuit we will get the carry out. This circuit is for carry out. The truth table given below verifies the working of this circuit. Compare these values with the previous truth table. All are same. Then hence using this standard cell, the circuit for a 4-bit adders carry out can be written as. Let's go through this circuit. It's very important. This circuit is called Manchester carry chain, in which the floor area for the carry outputs gets minimized. The two inverters at the output act as buffer, which are required to compensate for the limitation of the pass transistors. Thank you.